you guys doing? I'm doing alright. So, right now I'm gonna be mixing Play-Doh with slime. So I got my pink slime. I'm gonna be mixing my red dough into my pink slime. So y'all ready? Next. Haven't did nothing. My usual trying for a long time. For longest, so. So I have all this slime. I'm gonna be testing it out in the future video.
Who the hell keep doing this?
What?
Why do you keep doing it?
You know, I can't reach all the way up there, so I ain't do it.
I know.
The Glenn probably did it.
You probably didn't have our caffeine though.
But I don't know what to do with this. I don't know what to do with this Play-Doh, so I'm just mixing it in my slime just to do something. I didn't know what to do. So. Look, I'm only mixing this Play-Doh over here. I didn't know what to do, so I'm just mixing it in with the color we go with. All my Play-Doh. Hello guys, I gotta flash on this camera because I got hold the camera at the same time. Okay, hold on.